Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three dots here in the corner, go to its settings, and here you can find volume button action. So you can set it just to volume, shutter or zoom. So let's set it to zoom and try it out. So as you can see now with volume buttons I can zoom in or zoom out. Nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.